Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And this is the part 3 of the video, how to earn money online and offline in 2022. And today's topic is mobile phone recycling. You can earn good money and help the environment by recycling your old phones and other unused devices. Maybe ask your parents if they have any laying around too. Head to our for the best companies to use and how to ensure all the cash coded on online come. And another topic we have here is how you can become a click worker. The clickworker.com concept is based on internet crowdsourcing, where businesses advertise specific scalable tasks by tasks they need completing quickly. And for us, it is an way to make money fast from home. There are a variety of tasks, but most commonly they involve mindless data entry, web research from filling. You are rewarded and paid in a cash via PayPal for the work you do, and you can choose for what and when you work. And please give it a go. And another topic we have here is clean sacks back. Many students work part time during the summer months, and other will be on the placement or paid internship more often than not. If you are a student working during the year, you will be overpaying income tax. Why? Simply because few students reach the proposal tax-free income allowance each year, are but are put on an emergency basic tax code uh, by by their employers, meaning tax is being paid with it shouldn't be. Another topic is how you can get cashback when shopping. This is not only a way to make money but also to save money as a student. If you look at it in a different way, then you are making money with every purchase would have made anyway, whether it should be 50% or 0.5% cashback. There are a number of cashback sites out there which pay you the commission they otherwise would be earned. We recommend signing up with the top cashback quid.co.com and swagbucks, which are free and offer the best selection of retailers and exclusiveness. Another topic we have here is part-time jobs. A part-time job is the obvious first choice option for most of those students looking for a supplement their student loans. It provides pretty steady flow of income and can enable you to gain valuable work experience. But good jobs are not always easy to find. Start with our student job search, and then check local class fields and your university career services for uh, vacancies. It is also worth signing up with the CV Library, a free service which will match your CV and suitable part-time job and career opportunities. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.